Hello, boys and girls. It is Mr. McAndrew, the math coach, with you. Very excited to play Eliminate It. All right, are you ready? Okay, here we go. Round two. So I have my three cards. Okay, you played this before. So look at the three cards and figure out which card should we eliminate. That means get rid of, because it doesn't belong, because two of the cards have the same number of dots, but one is different. Okay, so that's the one we're going to get rid of. So take a look. All right, and if you think that this card should be eliminated, raise your hand. Okay, if you think that this card should be eliminated, raise your hand. And if you think this card should be eliminated, raise your hand. All right, so let's take a look. Okay. Up here, I got, get this marker cap off. I got 5 up here. What did you guys get? Did you get 5? I saw 3 here, and I saw 2 dots here, and 3, 4, 5. I know that 3 and 2 make 5. All right. Where'd my handy dandy eraser go? So you may have just counted the dots. Right? But remember, we're trying to find the fastest way possible, okay? So you may have gone 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Or you may have subitized these 3, which means subitize, remember, means you look at it and it's like, oh, I know that. Like when you roll a dice and like a 3 comes up on dice, you don't have to count the dots, right? You're just like, oh, that's 3. So I knew this was 3, and then 2, and that gave me 5. Okay, all right, so let's move on. Let's look down here. I also got 5 here. And again, I could see 3 here. And I could see 2 here. Is that how you did it? How did you do it? Did you do it differently? So there's other ways you could have looked at it. Like you could have looked at it as maybe 4 here and 1 here. So 4 and 1 makes 5, right? There's different ways you could look at it. Or maybe, anyways, let's move on. So I think we know who's getting voted off the island here, right? This card is probably not a 5, but let's double check. For this, I got 6. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What I saw here, I saw 3 here. And I saw 3 more here. So 3 and 3 makes 6. So I was able to do that pretty quickly without doing too much work. All right, so this is the card. Sorry, 6. You are eliminated. All right, let's do another one. I'm going to erase my board and get ready, okay? All right, so here we go. We have some new cards. Take a look, see how quickly you can decide which card shall be eliminated. All right, mark, set, go. Are you ready yet? Going once, going twice. All right, let's see what you think. Let's see what you think. Also, if I'm going too fast, you can always pause the video, right? You know that, okay? All right, so raise your hand if you think it is the top card. Okay. Raise your hand if you think it is this card. Okay. Raise your hand if you think it is this card. Okay. All right, let's check it out. Over here, up here, I got the number 8. Anybody else get 8? Yeah, so how did you do it? I did it as 2 and 2 and 2 and 2. So 2 plus 2 is 4, plus 2 is 6, plus 2 is 8. 2, 4, 6, 8. Who do you appreciate? Mr. McAndrew, right? It's a great song. So that's one way you could have gotten 8. You could have also, let's see, did anybody think of it this way? Like, oh, I see 4 here, and I see 4 here. So if I have 4 here and 4 here, 4 and 4 gives me 8. Let's check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? So this is 8. All right, let's check what this one is. Okay. This looks familiar. I can subitize this. Remember, subitize means you can do it like snap, right? You just look at it, you're like, oh, that's 6. Easy peasy weasy. Because it looks just like the dice on, sorry, the dots on dice. All right, so do I have some dice over here? Yeah, I'll get those later. So I know that's 6. I can prove it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You might see 3 up top and 3 on the bottom. 3 and 3. Okay, so this is 6. And if we go over here, it's going to have to be either a 6 or an 8. All right, so I got 8. And again, so here I saw 4 dots, and I saw 4 more dots. So 8 is the same as 4 and 4. Okay, so 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So who is getting booted off the island today? Number 6. All right, number 6. Sorry, number 6. You were eliminated. Okay, so great job. Let's do another one. Very exciting. Come on back in a second. All right, welcome back. We have a new game ready to go. So more dots than we've been doing, so might take you a little bit longer. Take a look, figure out which card we should eliminate. All right, mark it, set, go. It's a tough one. There's a lot of dots here, huh? Anybody get it yet? Yeah? All right, if you need more time, pause the video, okay? Because I want you to be able to vote for which card you think we should eliminate. Okay, here we go. All right, so who thinks, raise your hand if we should eliminate this card. Okay, raise your hand if you think we should eliminate this card. Okay, and now raise your hand if we should eliminate this card. All right, I don't know, they all have a lot of dots on them. That's all I can tell right now, right? So let's dive in, let's see who's correct here. Lots of good math learning to be had here, okay? Even if you don't get it correct, boys and girls, if you're doing your best job and you are paying attention and you learn from the mistake that you made, your brain is growing, and that is fantastic. So let's start up top like we normally do. I got 9 dots. The way I got it was I saw 3 here, and I saw 3 more here, which is 6, and then I saw 3 more here, which gives me 9. 3, 6, 9. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay? Down here, let's see what we get. I got 10. Now, how did I get 10? Let's see what you did. The way I did it was I knew this was 6 right here because it looks like on the dice, right? Looks like 6. And up here, this is a 4, and I know that from dice. So I know that 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 6 and 4 makes 10. All right, so look at this last one. I'm going to grab a die real quick. All right, so here's a dice, right? So here's your 4. All right, you can subitize that quickly because you just look at it and you're like, oh, 4. And then here is the 6 that looks like on dice. Okay? All right, awesome. Okay, so how many dots are on here? 1, it's either going to be 9 or 10, right? It has to be. I got, what did you get? I got 10. Did you get 10? I got 10 because I knew this was 9. I knew because, look, 3, 6, 9. Just like up here, 3, 6, 9. And then I had to add 1 more, so that made it 10. So 9 and 1 makes 10. So number 9, you are eliminated. Sorry, number 9. You're out. Okay, awesome. So we're going to do one more quick one. This one's going to be super speedy, and then we're going to be all done. Okay, so see you in a second. All right, boys and girls, our last round of eliminated. On your mark. Get set, go. Which one should you eliminate? Do you have it? If you don't have it yet, pause the video. We're going super fast this time. Okay, so raise your hand for this one. Should we eliminate this one? Raise your hand if we should eliminate this one. Okay, raise your hand if we should eliminate this one. All right, let's find out. Now look, boys and girls, you may have done it differently than me, but the way I saw this was I could see 6. I could see this and this as 6, and then I needed one more, which gave me 7. Okay, maybe you did 3 and 3 and 1. So 3 and 3 is 6 plus 1 more is 7. 3 and 1 is 4 plus 3 is 7. It all gives you 7, right? Okay, let's look down here. I also got 7. Uh-oh, this card looks like it's in trouble. The way I saw it was I saw 3 here, and I saw 4 here. And I know that 4, 5, 6, 7. And the 4 and 3 make 7. This one's not looking like it's going to win, right? So look over here. This I recognize from dice. Here it is right there. Okay, you see how that looks just like this? So I knew that was 5, 6, 7, 8. So we have 5 plus 3 more gives me 8. So, which number is eliminated? Number 8. You have been eliminated. Sorry, number 8. You lose this game. All right, boys and girls. Super fun as always. You're amazing. Great job. Also, remember, you guys can totally play this game at home. Draw some dots on different cards, right? Play it with see if you can trick your parents. See if you can play it with each other, one of your friends, or one of your siblings. Okay, have fun. Math is all about fun, and I'll see you soon. All right, bye-bye.